So I was thinking about getting an automatic gate opener, but I realized I just need to teach Jasmine how to do it, and voila, we have a gate opener. Good job, Jazzy. Good job. So it's been a bit windy today, hasn't it, kids?
Yeah.
How do you know it's been windy?
Because the trampoline blew away.
It blew away?
Yeah.
Where?
There.
The trampoline blew away. The trampoline normally lives over there, on the other side of the clothesline.
It flew over the plants today.
Well, it didn't really fly over the plants, did it? Because look, it's destroyed my fence. And it's wrecked a couple of the plants. Oh no. And here is the trampoline. Okay. Let's go get it fixed. G'day, hope you're well. Today is Friday the 14th, so tomorrow we are kicking off at the vineyard, and as promised I am going to do as much video content as I can. So today I'm about to go pack up the ute and the food truck, and I'm actually going to drive it up there today, so tomorrow morning I don't have to worry about it. So let's hook up the trailer. How good was that? How good was that first go? I was pretty impressed. Anyway, I'm going to open the food truck up now and let's see what of a mess it looks like inside. Alright, food truck has been parked. Super happy with how quick and easy that was to park. I did YouTube a lot of videos on hints and tips. But anyhow, we are set up, everything's hooked in, we're ready to go over here. It's time to head back home, finish off salads, finish off sauces, start the dry rub on the meat, and the meat's gonna go on at about 1 AM. In the between then, I've got time for a nap, and the Panthers are playing. So, let's go Panthers. So, as you can see, it is just past midnight. The cooking has begun. The barbecues are outside getting warmed up. And have a look at this. 6 racks of beef ribs. 2 5-kilo briskets in our little secret rub that I have all ready to go on. I have 7 kilos of chicken wings, which I may or may not cook all of them, but yeah, that's what we have for tomorrow. So hopefully we sell out of this pretty quick, but there's a fair bit of meat here. Anyway, I'll see you out at the barbecue. Okay, so the 2 briskets are in the barbecue. I'm going to put it on smoke for probably a couple of hours before I crank it up. It is actually just on 1 p.m. Let's have a look at our other puppies. Oh, beef ribs. Alright, see you bad boys later. Okay, here we are in the food truck. We are up and running. Everything's working. Joining me is Mum. Hi Mum. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
So we're at Home Oak. There's been a couple of orders already. Everything's working well and as expected. And we will show you more shortly. Okay, so I know I promised I was going to do more video in the food truck.
Yeah.
But we just got swamped. And guess what? We are officially sold out. Sold out! Happy days. Pack up.
Pack up.
Go home. Start the barbecue. Do it all again tomorrow. Woo! Alright, so after yesterday's success sellout, we are back. Day 2. Say hi again, Mum. Say hi, Mum.
Hi.
Everything's kicking off again, just setting up. And I think today will actually be a bit quieter. Not really expecting the same amount of people coming through. But the day is much nicer, as you can see. So the wind, there's not much of it. It's nice and sunny. And I'll show you the other view. And this is what I see when I look out of the food truck. So some nice places for people to sit in the sun and eat some good barbecue and drink some wine. Makes your footy field down the bottom. What an awesome spot. Alright, I better get doing some work and helping set up rather than letting Mum do all of it. What do you reckon, Mel?
Nice, very nice with the slaw and all that. This is the first time I'm eating your burger.
And you're enjoying it. Technically, you're the first customer of day 2. Anyway, customers walking, coming, bye. Okay, they're gone. Save some for me. Alright, so now it's Sunday night. Time for the update. Last couple of days has been crazy. So much fun. A few stressful moments in there, but overall has been fun. Really enjoyed it. First and foremost, a massive shout out to Mum and Dad. Could not have done it without you. Dad hanging around here looking after the kids. Mum helping up in the food truck whilst Anne Louise is up in Sydney. So on Saturday, as you may have seen, there's not a huge amount of footage, but it was flat stick. From the moment we started, it was just order after order after order. There wasn't a moment where I was sitting there waiting for an order to make. So thanks to all who came out and braved the weather. The weather was atrocious. Wind, cold, rainy. So massive shout out to all our supporters who came out, enjoyed some good food and great wine. Also, big shout out to Beck and the team at Home Oak Vineyards for setting up the wet weather plan. Fantastic idea having it in the barrel room. Mum bolting back and forward with food and delivering it in there. So we both had a lot of fun, and thank you to Beck and team. Anyway, so that pretty much wraps up the food truck stuff. I'm excited for next weekend. I think the stress levels will be a lot less again and again as we do this over and over, and I kind of form a rhythm and my processes get into place. But overall, very happy. So big thumbs up for everyone involved. As for the actual farm date, that pretty much is it for this week. Because the truck has been consuming my time, there has been bugger all that's been done on the property. So there's a huge amount of work that needs to be done on the chook area. I still have the cow fencing to do. I still have the veggie garden to sort out. Spring is here and I need to really get my bum into gear. So the grass is growing, needs to be mowed. But now that mum and dad are down here as well, over the next few weeks, I'll be able to pump some of that stuff out. Starting from tomorrow. So no rest for the wicked. Time to keep going. I'm back to putting on my farmer hat for a few days. So look out for the next farm date. I'll have that up fairly soon with the stuff that we're doing around the property. And you have yourself a great day. Take care. If you haven't seen the previous episode, click here. If you haven't subscribed, click here. Thanks guys. See ya.